My husband and I usually get up early when it's pitch dark. We enjoy watching the sky transition from pitch dark to a serene ultramarine blue while we sip a morning coffee. I decided to paint first thing in the morning today. I'm calling it a day of self care and reflection. After painting, I plan to go for a long walk, read and have coffee at my favorite bookstore, eat at my favorite restaurant, walk back home listening to a business podcast, and then write my thoughts in a journal. This is how I describe my perfect day. So today's video is extra special because I'm teaming up with Craft Ease. Craft Ease isn't just any art supplier. They are the first and only licensed glow-in-the-dark diamond paintings and paint by numbers seller. They approached me back in November 2023 and asked if I would like to collaborate with them. I said yes, and they very kindly sent me this kit to demonstrate how to paint by numbers. It's my first time trying this technique and I'm really excited about it. They've also provided an exclusive discount code just for you. Use the code MonaFreyArt20 at checkout and you'll get a fantastic 20% off on any kit on the Crafties website. I leave the link in the description below. So they sent a high quality canvas, pre-mixed paints, numbers, instructions and brushes. The numbers match the spaces on the canvas so you know exactly where each color goes. Instructions and steps are also mentioned. I'll keep my camera for a few seconds on this so that you can read them too. Feel free to pause the video. This board can also turn into an easel. So that's my canvas and I'm going to paint this portrait. As you can see, the numbers are already imprinted. Anyone can paint by numbers. That's the whole point of this stress-free and relaxing technique. Now I'm labeling the numbers on my paints. And I'm ready to paint. If you're trying paint by numbers for the first time, here are my 5 tips. Number 1, stick with one number at a time. It's much simpler painting that way since you won't have to keep cleaning your brush. Number 2, I started painting from the big areas to the small ones, just as I do in watercolor. Even though Crafties sent small brushes, I didn't end up using them. I finished the entire painting with just one flat brush. Number 3, if you enjoy having music playing in the background while you paint, go ahead and give it a try. As for me, I usually don't listen to music while painting. However, I found paint by numbers to be incredibly relaxing and stress-free, suitable for painters of all ages, including my 5-year-old niece. Number 4, I completed this portrait in 3 hours, but I watched videos of other people who completed their painting over a course of 3 to 4 days. I like to finish my paintings in just one sitting, and if you're like me, I recommend painting in thick layers so that you don't have to apply the second layer. Number 5, wear gloves and an apron so that your hands and clothes are protected. I didn't use any oil or solvent. I just use water to clean my brushes. The paint is very fluid, so you won't need to mix anything. Now listen to the music and enjoy my painting process. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed painting this portrait. A huge shout out to Crafties for making this collaboration possible, and a big thank you to all of you for your ongoing support. Don't forget to use that exclusive discount code, and until next time, keep creating. See you soon.